Hello, I'm Sindhu Ghanta, co-founder of AIClub. I, along with my team, created the AI Learning Hub. Today, over 2 billion K-12 students worldwide lack hands-on AI education, especially in the underserved regions, leaving them unprepared for tomorrow's careers and civic roles. High costs, patchy connectivity, and a shortage of trained teachers force many learners to rely on toy tools or go without any AI instruction. That's why we built the AI Learning Hub, a fully integrated browser-based ecosystem that empowers students from grade 3 to grade 12 to become AI creators. With AI Club Navigator, learners assemble models on 400 plus child-friendly or external datasets via drag and drop, and then they can instantly export these AIs into production-ready Python code in Scikit-learn and TensorFlow, and they don't need any installation for this. Our curriculum hub delivers 800 modular lessons, videos, assessments, an AI chatbot tutor, complemented by a textbook for low bandwidth contexts. Teachers stay in the loop with our dashboard, monitoring student progress, model performance, and even dropping in into any project for real-time support. So far, we have trained over 1,000 educators and engaged more than 7,000 students who have built more than 38,000 AI services. Our students have won more than 300 international competitions. Girls represent 35% of participants and half of all winners. With Sol's evaluation expertise and global network, we'll refine our evaluation metrics. We'll deepen our collaborations and scale AI literacy into every classroom, fueling a new generation of AI savvy innovators. We intend to roll out this project at Zilla Parishad Marjampadu High School, located in the Palnadu district of Andhra Pradesh in India. Join us in empowering every learner to harness AI creativity. Thank you.